what's rib candy? That is rib candy. This one I got here is brown sugar and apple and brown sugar. It's a Texas pepper jelly. It's like a finishing sauce for ribs, so we'll stick it on the very end, maybe the last 15 minutes. What got me interested in it is I watched like Aim 'em and Claim 'em and T-Roy and maybe Baby Back Maniac, all these good YouTube channels. They always have good channels, and they all bragged on it. So I'm excited about it, and I'll try it out and let you know how it turns out. And I appreciate you watching. Thanks for watching Cooking with Cam. What I'm gonna do, light me one of these Weber wax cubes and put it right in the middle, and see if I can start my fire here and let it move out slowly. That way we'll have a low and slow cook. Take a look at those ribs. I just got them seasoned up. What I'm using is a backyard barbecue. This right here. It's not too strong, but it has a good flavor. So I seasoned them up with those, put a little mustard on it and seasoned them up with that. And now we're about to put it on the grill. Get over here where you can see it. Got some good smoke going, running about 200. Time to do some wrapping. Look at this right here. Yeah. What I'm gonna do is put a little brown sugar on here. Another layer of flavor. Okay, the moment we've been waiting on. Okay guys, you got to see this. I put 2 layers on. They look awesome. I'm going to cook them let this settle in for about 10 minutes. we're going to pull it off and see what they taste like. Okay, I took them out of the wrap for about an hour. As you can see, we coated them. Show you what it looks like here with that coating on there. Sweet with some heat. This stuff is awesome. So I highly recommend it. Rib candy. Try it on chicken, pork chops. I think it'd be good on just about anything. And give it a try. Order you some up. I'll put the link below. And thanks for watching Cooking with Camp.